Today we're fixing old Toyota problems. So we ordered a strut bushing. Yep. That's supposed to go in here, and it's the wrong size. It's too big. Nothing we've ordered is right, so we're gonna make one. Bushing width, the diameter we need. We're gonna need a little metal sleeve, and we're gonna turn it on the lathe and fix problems. So these are the scrap materials I have appropriated, and I'm just measuring everything up to make sure we can actually make what we need out of this, which I think we should be good. I'm gonna look for a drill bit that's approximately 13.8 mil. Let's get the OD done. So we need 35 mil. On the outside we have 38. Alright, so this should work. We can go check it on the car. That is not that great. We're gonna have to do another one. we need 32 mil long. So I'll set this up at 32 mil. Alright. And then we'll go in here. Actually, see that line scratching in there? Doesn't look like much, but once it starts spinning, I'll be able to see it clearly. Just mark it. Seems pretty clear. Probably not on the camera because of the refresh rate, but to the naked eye, you can see it. So we're gonna turn this piece of scrap into a sleeve that's gonna support the bolt that's gonna fit inside there. Now we drill a hole in this bushing to fit the sleeve in, and it should be done. Hopefully.